How do you view life? How has life changed for you as an Igbo person in today's Nigeria?
I am Igbo, first of all, long before I became a Christian, long before I became born again. So what it means is that there's a part of me, I mean, like, is embedded, is my DNA, that I am Igbo. And things that resonate with Igbo should also resonate with me.
Religion is separate from tradition, but it feels to me that religion comes with traditions, and cultures of the people. If we were to export Igbo cosmology,
of course, Nzu
will
be part of it. So the kind of mind that I have was not something that was shaped by religion or anything like that. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I have a mind. I have a mind that is curious.
Okay.
I have a mind that is open to learning. I have a mind that seeks knowledge. If you have a product that is innovative, that is bespoke, that people will look for, even if you were in the hindrance part of the world.
Well, I looked for you.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
That people will find their way to you.
This woman, this is it. She's magic. She's got life.